Is the viral concept global sling bag actually worth your money in 2026? Or is it just another overhyped scam? I dove into all the reviews and rumors so you don't have to. Let's break it down. First off, the Concept Global, sometimes called Concept Collective, is a legit company out of Helsinki, Finland. Reports in early 2026 show that most folks get their bags, and for the price, satisfaction is generally high. But let's keep it real. Shipping can be a mixed bag. Some customers get their orders in a week, others wait longer, and a handful say tracking updates are spotty, or customer service takes a while to respond. If you need to return it, you might be offered a 50 to 70% refund instead of shipping it all the way back to Finland. Just something to keep in mind. Now, what do you actually get? The bag's got some solid features: RFID protection, anti-theft zipper locks, and cut-resistant straps. There's a regular and a larger size, and you'll often see a buy one get one free deal. It's lightweight, slim, and perfect for travel essentials like your passport, phone, and wallet. But here's the catch. If you poke around online communities like RR Manybaggers, users have found identical bags floating around Amazon and other sites, sometimes for less. It's what's called a white-labeled product. Same bag, different brand names. Also, while it's water-resistant, don't count on it in a downpour. And if you're wearing it all day, some people say the strap can get uncomfortable or loosen as you move. So, is it worth it? If you snag a 2-for-1 deal and just want something basic and functional for travel, go for it. But if you want next-level quality or a totally unique design, you might be happier with a brand like Bellroy, Peak Design, or even by tracking down the same model on Amazon for less.